This clinically proven formula targets all your problem areas and instantly reduces the look of crow's feet, lip lines, forehead creases, and laugh lines by 50 to 90%.
The most impressive result in the clinical studies was one that demonstrated that in 100% of the patients studied, they saw a decrease in the appearance of the fine lines and wrinkles between 50 and 90%. I've never seen a product that can result in such reduction in just a matter of minutes like this before.
Why not have lines at this age? I've got crow's feet. I've got parentheses around my mouth. Freeze 24/7 makes me feel younger. It tightens up the face. And the wrinkles seem to disappear. I'm not sure how they do it, but they do it.
I am 47 years old, and I have 4 children. And if you tell anybody else, I will be very upset. I have dark under eye circles with puffs. I hate that. It's worked faster than any of the other things I've tried. That includes the department store brands, the little boutique brands that are the handmade, everything. Nothing has ever worked that fast for me. I was really, truly shocked.
The results from Freeze 24/7 are obvious. You can actually see it happening right before your eyes, and we can prove it. We use magnified photography to capture exactly what happens during the minutes immediately after you apply Freeze 24/7. Look at this. Let me show everyone what's happening. Look at the results Deb got on her crow's feet in less than 10 minutes. And Judith dramatically reduced her forehead wrinkles right before her eyes.